guys to this video. And today we'll be looking at something very important. I don't know if you guys have ever wondered what occurs when you on or power on your system or computer system. Like what happens? That's black screen. What goes on in there? I don't know if you guys have ever wondered what occurs there. And today we have somebody who will be actually taking us on what goes on in that aspect, which is called BIOS, by the way. He is a very wonderful teacher and very explanatory. He knows how to explain well. So he will talk to us on what a BIOS is and why it is there and how it affects or also works with an operating system. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like each video, and also comment. Please, we beg you to leave a comment. Your comments is well appreciated.
Nice. I'm Shegun Bakari from Southspec.com, a programmer and a software developer. I have a college degree in computer science, and I'm well known for developing amazing softwares. In this video, I'm in collaboration with Tech Trackers to talk about BIOS setup. So let's dive in. First off, BIOS means B-I-O-S, means Basic Input Output System. That is, it is responsible for the booting procedures when you turned on your PC. So, have you ever imagined that what happened when you turn on your PC? First thing you will see when you turn on your PC, you see the black screen, and after a few seconds, you see your operating system logo. So during the process, when you immediately turn it on, what happened first is the BIOS programs that start running and diagnosing your PC to check if the peripheral devices, such as the computer keyboard, the scanner, the printer, are well connected. That is, the keyboard is well connected and the mouse, everything is well connected and in a perfect stage. Then after diagnosing those things, the next thing is locate the memory, that is the ROM, read only memory, and locate the operating system on that PC. Being it Windows, being it Mac or Linux, it will locate the operating system there. So after successfully diagnosing the operating system program, then if the operating system is well and is in a perfect stage, the BIOS pass instruction to the operating system and hand over the booting task to it. So in that process, the operating system begins its job, begins its program from that part and loads its logo. Then after a few seconds, then your screen comes up. So I'll be talking about some features about that BIOS we're talking about. So the features such like in some cases whereby you turned on your PC and your screen didn't show anything, and you yourself quite know that the PC is turned on, but you are not seeing anything, nothing is displayed on your screen, and you'll be wondering, hey, what's going on? Hey, what's up with my PC? First thing there is that after that BIOS setups BIOS program start the booting process, the booting procedure, and the BIOS booting procedure was unable to locate an operating system in your memory location, that is the ROM. Then the screen will just be blank, because it's the operating system that will continue the job, that will finish the task, the booting task. So in the process whereby the BIOS was unable to locate it, then you have a black screen displaying nothing. Okay guys, it's time to show you guys the practical aspect of my explanation about the BIOS system. Now I have a PC in front of me and I'm about to turn the PC on through the power button. So first, if I turn the PC on, the BIOS system programs will start the configuration and ensure I have a connected peripheral devices such as either mouse, keyboard, etc. before it passes the next instruction to the operating system located at the ROM storage. So now I'm powering on the PC through the power button. Immediately the system comes up, I quickly hold down my F9 button. I quickly click on it to take me to the boot manager of my system here. Then I select F10 to go to the BIOS setup options. I'm pressing the F10 key. It takes me to the BIOS setup screen where I can make changes to my computer, and in case the booting processes wasn't completed and maybe I have some errors on my operating system, then I can quickly check through the BIOS setup. So now I can make some changes like change the time, the system date, the manufacturer date, the system family, the product number, the born on date, the processor type of my PC, the total memory of it, and the version, so on and so forth. I can navigate through the arrows on my keyboard, the down arrow part and the side arrow to navigate through the main tab, the security tab, the system configuration, and the exit tab. So on the security tab, I can clear the administrator password. I can power on password, the TPM device, the Intel software guard extension. I can reset it back to the factory default as well without even powering on the PC. I mean, without the completing procedure to power on the PC, I can actually refactory my PC. System configuration. So that's all about this BIOS setup I've been talking about, and I believe we all learn one or two things from this, and I believe this video is helpful. All thanks to Tech Trackers for hosting me, Shegun from saxtech.com. It's a wonderful video. And do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave amazing comments on it. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up, and if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer those questions.